how to transfer PEPE from Binance to Binance using user ID on PC. Now, first of all, make sure you log into your Binance account. And now after that, go to your profile icon. Now click on assets. Now after that, click on spot. And now from here, click on withdraw. And now, as you can see, search for the coin. For me, I will search for PayPath. And now I will select the user Binance. From here, as you can see, select the Binance user. Now I will select Binance user ID. Now after you click the user ID from here, for me, for example, I will go to my Binance and I will just copy the user ID, for example. And after you paste it here, now payment your own wallet is not supported. Now, as you can see, now copy the other or for that user ID. And after you copy it or paste it here, now from here, just enter how much of PayPath you want to send and click on send, and you will be able to transfer PayPath from Binance to Binance just using the user ID. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.